Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. The pre-market, I said the April first 1 or 2 trading session is going to be tough, is going to be volatile. That's because everybody is focusing on April 2. So April 2 is when, the US may come out with some concrete idea of what is the tariff for each country and those kind of things. Though, like India always, they don't argue with US, they don't quarrel with US, they just agree. But still, the markets are, a little bit jitter. And today is such a day. Morning, Nifty fell 150 point, again shot up 150 point, again fell 150 point, again shot up by 150 point, again fell 100 points. So if you look at the total swing, it's about 700 point. Although close to close basis, it was just down only about 100 point, but intraday swing was so high on both the sides. But it's going to be very difficult to understand our market. Now, markets are so volatile, but volatility index keeps going down. At some point of time, it was down more than 5%. I think on closing basis, it was down about 4%. As I told you, the December month option premiums have crashed. Right? I was watching at some point of time, Nifty was down by 60 rupees, but 25,000 call, right, is also down by 60 rupees. Even if the market is down by 60 rupees, even at the money call should come down only by 30 rupees. This is not at the money, this is far out of the money. Moreover, there is a lot of time value, but still that price has come down by 60 rupees. So probably one reason is that, more sellers will be coming into December options because, from today for December options, there's a normal margin. Until yesterday, there was some extra margin. So today volatility was so high, so therefore we do not know. Probably what I'm thinking, there would have been aggressive buying by FII and equally aggressive selling by domestic institutions. So that's what I guess. Just now I check FII data, it is still not out. But it was a broad-based selling. So, look at the Reliance. It went and crossed 1,300 at some point of time. From there, it came, at least 30 rupees down. So it was too volatile in the large cap stocks. And, all the indices are in red and everything was falling. IT index is the worst performing index. But despite this, option premiums are falling. So anyway, I'm an option seller. So there is nothing to complain about this one, right? Another thing, today morning I mentioned that now the BSE is safe. Earlier in one of the interviews, I said, because of the politics between BSE and NSE, NSE brought the Thursday expiry to Monday expiry so that, people will not be able to play Sensex options. Now, because of SEBI announcement, so they made it Tuesday and Thursday. So that is not only good for traders, it's also good for BSE. As a result, today the BSE share is up nearly 16%. So if you are my long-term follower, you may remember I just discussed about this stock when the stock was at 500 rupees in 2020. I think I came out with a video. So anyway, but I also bought 1,000 shares. But because I was under SEBI ban in between for some time, I didn't want to take the risk. I disposed all my shares. And let me tell you, the punishment given to me by SEBI, that's okay. But because of this, I lost even few more crores and opportunity cost. But I was worried because, I had 4 kg of gold. I bought at 48 lakh rupees per kg, sold it at 56 lakh rupees per kg, right? Just because of the SEBI ban. And now, just 1.5 year, or I think it's 1.5 year. Now it has gone to 86 lakh rupees. I lost opportunity cost of 30 lakh rupees per kg of gold. I had 4 kg of gold. So the opportunity lost is 1.2 CR. So anyway, the regulator's job, they are doing something, so we cannot go against them. So that's a part and parcel of our life. So we can't do anything. So looking at the open interest, people are taking short straddle at 23,500. People are taking short straddle at 23,700. Some people look at the spot price, so they're taking 23,500 straddle. Some people look at the future price, they go and take 23,700 straddle. So anyway, Monday our market is closed, so we will open straight away on Tuesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, only 3 trading sessions. Right now the US futures are lower only, so but who knows, it may improve after that. But the US markets are clearly struggling. So I think all the markets, will get some clarity only after April 2. So there is nothing more to discuss now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.